So today I wanted to show you my tulip trees. I have two, and they're just beginning to open. They have huge blooms. They're just so pretty. And these bloom through most of the year. Even into December, we still have blooms. So this is a deciduous magnolia, a type of magnolia. And you see a bird's nest in here too. Well, part of one. But we have had so much rain that it's taken a while for these to open up. And it's actually been flooding. We've had 2 long days of it. And it's dreary. These have water standing around them. And I thought maybe the blooms would even get knocked off. But I think this is the most blooms we've had on here. We trimmed it this fall. Just took out any dead limbs and any odd shaped limbs that were sticking out in a bad way. We trimmed those off, and it has really put on the blooms. It's just gorgeous. And I will put some fertilizer around the base, kind of where you see the water standing. That's the drip line of the tree, and that's where I will fertilize on top of the ground and maybe work it in just a little bit on top of the soil. Not sure what type of fertilizer I'm going to use yet. I'll have to do some research on that. But you can see these plants are doing really well. And they're at least 8 years old. My daughter was in a horrible car accident 8 years ago, and she is left with a traumatic brain injury, and she's in a wheelchair. And I know these were planted before her accident, so they may be 10 years old. And it's taken them a while, you know, like you said, if they're 10 years old and they're only this tall. But, so they're probably 10 to 12 feet tall now. But they're gorgeous. I just love them. When my husband planted them, I wasn't real sure about them. And then once you see the blooms on them and then how long they bloom, oh, they're just gorgeous. And they have been no trouble to take care of. They've just done really well. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on those and show you the beautiful blooms.